guys, big update. Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg big fight because of Twitter starting release date on 30 April 2010 and update on 27 June 2023. Download you can see and required Android 6.0 apps of X crop release date 30 April 2010. Features of camera, contact, location, microphone, telephone, storage. Others features prevent phone the sleeping view, Wi-Fi connecting, receive data for internet, Google Play billing service, have full network access, advertising ID permission, release signage setting, run for every features available. Just Twitter. Again, trade apps for Mark Zuckerberg. Similar apps, trade apps. You can see trade apps version 289.0.0.771.109 and update for July 2023 update but released 27 June 2023 and features camera, context, location, microphone, storage means similar features. Then fight on Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. Elon Musk, Twitter and ChatGPT or Mark Zuckerberg Facebook. Then new apps, Thread and Instagram. Similar Instagram apps open. You can see you change the Instagram, yeah, you can see reply, mention, verified. You will features GIF files, gallery and post, follower, Twitter type, follower. You can see then repost, post similar Twitter, but this is trade apps. Mark Zuckerberg. You can see likes, comments, reply, and then post, repost, quote. Every use these apps, but these trade apps you can word trade word add the story post copy link share why then fight Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. Elon Musk launch launch Twitter. Elon Musk launch Twitter apps. You can see tracking, what trading, building profile, customize your profile and photos, description, location, background photo. Version 9.95.0 release 0.0 update on 27 June 2023 on Twitter update. Then download 110 1 many percent download size 38.4 MB. Then offer by X crop release on Twitter first on release 30 April 2010 F version or version 9.95 release on 0.0 may be required access, PC access, camera, contact, location, microphone, telephone storage. Others features you can see Google Play billing service, recognize setting run on service run at a startup Google Play license check, install shortcuts, Google sunrise and off, Play Store replay, change your audio setting, pair with Bluetooth device. Then again, this is Elon Musk. Then you can see Trade apps Mark Zuckerberg about this app's idea, share trend tax, contact, befriend your favorite, control conversation, later missing. Version 2.8 0.0.0.289.0.0.77.109. Update on 4 July 2023. Download. Many people's required Android 9.9 and up. Offer wise Instagram. Release on 27 June 2010. Release on 27 June 2020. App permission. You can see camera. Similarly, camera, contact, location, micro storage, others. Where the retweet, then the thread, retreat. Similar. Then fight Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. People comments this my video. You can video, then video, my video you like, my video your in full information, then you like, subscribe and share.